Pu-erh tea is a unique fermented tea from the Yunnan province, China. Here are some benefits associated with Pu-erh tea. 1. Digestive Aid. Pu-erh tea is often consumed after meals to aid digestion. Its natural compounds can help stimulate the production of gastric acids, improving digestion and easing symptoms like bloating and indigestion. 2. Weight management. Some studies suggest that Pu-erh tea can help with weight loss by boosting metabolism and reducing fat accumulation. It contains compounds that may promote the breakdown of fat cells and prevent the formation of new ones. 3. Cholesterol reduction. Pu-erh tea is believed to help lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. This is